Here's just a look at the General Electric air fryer. It's awesome. You know, these things are pretty much just like convection oven. And we got the fry basket in here. Tonight we made falafel and potatoes. When you're air frying, you put the fry basket in the middle, and basically you end up going through the modes, right? So this is a digital readout. You can also get a manual readout with this oven, but anyway, this is the digital one. Basically, you just go through the settings. You know, you can like air fry, bake, toast stuff, broil, etc. Select your temperature and time, and you're good to go. When you're done and you hit stop, it will run you through a little cool cycle, and that's just because these babies, you know, like really heat up. Different trays. This is the fry tray, or the like pan. We haven't used that. We've just been using it as an air fryer, and it's good. The only downside, I guess, for you, maybe, you don't have room for it. You know, these things are kind of big, so you gotta have some space on the counter.
All right, this is a great little oven. It might be a little bit small, but overall, it's got some really good modes. I tend to use toast a lot, air fry, but you put it on air fry, you can adjust the time. Then you start, stop. I also pull the tray out, which I've done because I've been cooking on it. So, as long as you're not trying to cook a big turkey, it's a great little oven to have.